Hello, Kyla Jensen of Wisconsin Real Estate Professionals, LLC. Today I'm highlighting the village of Cottage Grove, which is located just east of Madison, Wisconsin. Cottage Grove is conveniently situated between the major transportation highways of 12 and 18 and I-94. There are about 6,200 residents here in Cottage Grove. Cottage Grove is part of the Monona Grove School District, which is a combination of the city of Monona and the village of Cottage Grove. There are lots of great small businesses and restaurants here in the village of Cottage Grove, such as the 1855 Saloon and Grill, Old Town Coffee House, and Papa Jimmy's Pizzeria. School Grounds Coffee House is a combination coffee house and art gallery, which is a great place to spend the day as well. There are also unique shops, such as Splurge. If you're looking for something to do, this is the start of the Glacial Drumlin Bike Trail, a 52-mile trail which begins here in Cottage Grove and goes east all the way to Waukesha. If you're looking for a wonderful community with small town charm, but very convenient access to Madison, I would highly consider the village of Cottage Grove. Thank you.